This is Noah trying to hustle. This is Noah trying to hustle.
He's trying to sell us on this. We're going to get the red devil.
The Schmeat Shrinker. And Quinn's his little sidekick.
They don't have it.
You guys, I'm looking at her and she's not too convinced on your sale.
Well, I think a combination pack is a better deal, but not a $550 one.
Well, this can last you 4 years. You gotta use this one today. That one tomorrow. No,
hey, and plus if you get that one, you know, no one else gets that one. And, you know, it is going to be on film, you know. We are buying fireworks. You know, we got to do it big, so I say we get 2 of them.
You only pay $13.95. That's what I'm saying, though, is you buy some of this other stuff and it's going to add up to that quick.
Whoa, this is dope. The probably system goes. And I got like here.
Collateral damage. You only pay.
Oh, plus 5. That's what they're gonna say.
Yeah, we do. We want that one.
Well, then don't buy anything else.
She said we can't. She said if we get that one, we can't get nothing else.
So, but it's like everything.
But it's everything in one, so we don't care.
Does it have sparklers in it?
Exactly. Just get that.
No, it might not. No, that's for the boys. The girls can get their own stuff. Kaylee's gonna want sparklers. Hey, Kaylee, you'll get the sparklers and stuff, and we'll get the big ones. So we'll incorporate them all together.
Yeah, where are the fireworks?
We were in the M80s. No. Hey, you know who you asked for that? Grandpa Ron. He'll have all of those.
Hey, then you better call him up right now. Like, hey, bruh.
Hey, we're going to the movies too. Man, they should have it in there.
Well, it has the stuff that goes up in the air, yeah. It does?
Yeah, it's got 12 shot boomers. No, it's got the 12 one. Like look, babe, like these. Like the ones you seen in Disneyland, yeah. That's what those are, the Red Devils. You want some?
Most of them are in the air. I said, how are we going to get it in the car?
I don't know, they got to figure that out. No, it's got to go inside the car. So my bust your window. Hey, what movie are we going?
Huh? I want to see Despicable Me 2.
Where?
Zootopia.
Saying because we were supposed to go to Ron's house because they have a battle every year. There's the neighbor in front of him. No, I invite nobody over. I want my. We could do that over at Grandpa Ron's. We could do those at Grandpa Ron's. He's got a huge ass yard.
Plus Shane, we invited Shane. Unless we put it on our freaking...
Alright, whatever.
Well, it's up to you. I mean...
No, I don't care. If we get it, we could just tell them, can we get it on the way back then? Because I don't want it sitting in the car.
We'll fit in the car.
Okay.
Now it'll go over people's heads. Just post it to the ceiling.
Okay,
it's not
so
2 of them, it's only 1
box.
box. It's only 1 box. It's not 2 boxes. It's not 2 boxes. It's only 1 box.
It's 1 big box.
I think.
Yeah, it is.
I think.
So look, it'd be easier if we ripped the box up and just put all this in the back behind the seat.
It'd be easier if we just threw it all in the truck.
That's what I just said.
We're automatically
look.
winning because spectacular show.
Look, it's a box inside of a box inside of a box.
And then the box on the box.
It's Samsung.
Sorry to bother you, man.
No worries. No worries.
It's the Galaxy.
Cardboard box behind it and then show what it is.
Huh?
The cardboard box behind it or this one?
This one.
Dang, look at this.
I don't care. They're the same, aren't they?
Yeah, so you take this one.
That's the showcase one, the ones in the box.
We can take this out and it's inside this box. And then we don't have to worry about this big box.
Yeah, that's right.
And then you just
Yeah, we could just do it that way.
Take that one right there. The one in the front.
Hey, can we light some of this stuff just to see what it looks like? I'm figuring if we could just light a couple and hey, it's gonna attract people though. It's gonna attract people. Where's Bella? Little Bella. What's wrong with you, Bella?
She wants to go to Ron.
Yeah, we want to go to Grandpa Ron's.
I know, because they have a big battle.
They have a big battle. They have the best one every year. And there's 2 neighbors, and we don't have to set shit off.
7867.
I'm not saying, I'm just saying.
But we have our own stuff.
So you guys got the box? Or do you need me to get somebody for you? You got it. Why didn't you grab it before?
I wish we could get some bungees at that Fred Meyer on the way home and bunge it to the tunnel.
No, because we're going to take it out the package and just lay them inside. Yeah, get away. This ain't got nothing to do with you. Johnny, look, grubber rubs.
It's all yours.
I don't like when you just pull.
You guys are going to have a blast.
That's all 20, so I think that's 600.
All right, let's take a look.
They didn't have anything but 20s left at the bank yesterday because everybody went and got cash.
You need to tell them we need hundreds. They know how we roll.
I counted 5, but I'm going to count
5?
one more
Okay.
time.
It could have been I lost
40,
count.
60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60,
I trust her. She's on camera.
20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85. Okay?
There's 6, and then what was it?
20, 40, 60, 80,
We don't,
78, 67.
but we're from Portland. We don't pay taxes.
But you don't have to tell me you're from Portland.
But these are Vancouver fireworks.
So 700
We are lighting
total.
them in Vancouver though, right? Right
There you go.
on the outside of this display
They
unit.
bought the big one.
The display unit right outside. So you guys, wherever you see the fireworks, come and get your fireworks there. So you guys selling a lot? She wouldn't let us display any, you know, inside. So
I know. I'm such a stick.
I know he's so mean. God, who cares about the fire marshal's laws and the fine that we're gonna get for burning the place down?
All right, thank you.
Come on, guys.
Oh, they already threw everything in the back.
We put gas all on the floor. You light the gas and all floor.
Got no room in this bitch.
Still gotta put these 2 in there.
Fucking there now.
Grab
Yeah,
those sweets, man.
We're gonna get robbed. Someone's gonna bust the window and be like, "Nigga, we got fireworks."
Yeah, you dumb bum. You don't even got a
Set
light
those
bulb
on the
light.
ground. Yep.
Y'all gonna have to cut them. When we were walking out, I was like, that's chunks. Because they all asked, you really want that?
Are you gonna close it down?
You left your poppets in there?
I got
Oh, you just went in there and stole some more. Okay, I see how it is.
out of my pocket.
Look at that model right there. See those model legs?
Oh yeah, come on, get in.
My last whooping. You keep talking to my woman. That's what it's finna be, nigga.
Come on, guys.
You hear me? I said nigga popping me on my feet.
What are you doing?
We have to push. There's no room back.
Yeah. yet. We're gonna come back out. We're gonna have busted windows.
Okay, it's fine. We're just going to the movie theater right there.
Yeah, so people got 2.5 hours to rob us. 2.5 hours to be robbed.
Pop it. Yeah, Boney, I want you to pull those off the window where you're sitting so they're not just sticking out in the window like that. When you get out, okay?
Lay him down on the seat.
Put them
Don't
in your
pop
seat.
it on my knee,
Hey,
nigga.
know what?
You
Go
want
like that.
Something?
Yeah, don't open that.
Do you want to pop some
It just feels like
tags
you're
even
rubbing
though you
rocks
only
in
got
the
no
beer.
dollars in your pocket?
Like that.
You do it.
Boney got grenades back there.
Oh, shoot.
I throw a grenade at ya.
That's up in the car.
I couldn't flick it. It wouldn't do it. It just rolled down my hand.
Well, I don't know where that is. So stop your feet.
You guys got to see us. That's how quick we. That's how quick we do our fireworks shopping. Quick in, quick out. No time to waste. Double lays on the cameras. We're gonna see how that worked out. We got a 4K wide angle thanks to the GoPro. Then we're trying also the Samsung Galaxy.
No.
Haley, here.
Put those
We're
up.
gonna see what we got.
Going to the movie.
Popo's over there. See, that's what it's good for. Bam, because I can zoom in with that.
Couldn't go.
Yeah,
I couldn't go
you
left.
go
You
left.
chose
No,
to go
we'll try this
go
next
down.
street.
Yeah.
No.
Wow.
I got that crack.
Carry them.
Look where I'm at. I got crack. Like 2 chains.
Kaylee, honey, they're not even supposed to be opening those, playing with them right now.
If you rub them together, there's like a little friction in them. Right when we drive away.
Strip clubs and dollar bills.
Here, it won't go.
Hold up, hold up.